So this next new food combo we're gonna try is a chicken cordon bleu and some canned Boyardee pasta and meatballs, SpongeBob edition. I have two of those cordon bleus out because later when my mom comes home, she might be hungry. I don't know. We're just gonna use one though. And what we're gonna do is cook this up. Then, when this is almost done cooking, we'll heat up the pasta and what's it called? Pasta and beef? Pasta and meatballs. Right before that gets done cooking in the microwave though, so not in the can. We're gonna put in. You'll see. So right now we got the cordon bleus plated on the plate that we're gonna use to heat them up. Now, I would suggest use like some tin foil or something. Don't do the same as I'm doing. I mean, unless if you can't help it. Now, the the oven, it's been on for the oven. I've been preheating it for like I don't know, probably 13 minutes so far now. Either way, it's been past 10 minutes, so the only reason why it hasn't preheated yet is because I had it at 350 first for like the first 5 minutes, and then I had to change it to 375, so it should be preheating up soon. We'll pop those in, put on for 38 minutes, and in 1 minute and 18 minutes we'll flip them. Keep a minute late, but still not bad. Now we're gonna flip them. See how they look. Okay, so when you do that part, I'd suggest use a fork and try to scoop under there. Be careful not to pierce it. And that's how it should look when you flip it. Nice and not too. Okay, now that there's 6 minutes left, we're gonna start working on the Chef Boyardee pasta and meatball. And these are some weird looking noodle shape. Like I can kind of tell SpongeBob, not even, and Gary, but it looks so weird. They had so many triangles, and I guess that's Patrick. Kind of look like symbolic symbols. That'd be a pretty cool shaped thing. Illuminatios. Pretty sure people will try those. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna get this all out of it. Whenever you're gonna put like pasta, like stuff in the microwave to heat up, especially heat up when it's like from the can, always put a paper towel because it's gonna splatter. what I like to do is I like to put enough paper towel that goes over it and under it. That way even when it turns, it doesn't fall out. See? Then you can even, see how it's not such a good microwave, you can put it on the other side there first. Put that on for 2 minutes first, then stir it up, and then probably another 2 minutes, or like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It'll be ready. And this cordon bleus will be ready in 4 minutes, because when they are done from the oven, you gotta let them set a minute and a half so they can unsoften them. I don't know, so they can cool off, I guess. So it heats up. After the first 2 minutes, I forgot to mention, you gotta stir it up before you heat it up another 2 minutes and 30 seconds, or just 2 minutes. So we're about to do that. I forgot to turn this off. So, as you guys could see, or as everyone could see, like, see how it trips out at the edge there? If you can make these without making it do that, then I think you can make these the best, honestly. Or you know which ones are the best to buy. Because every time I make these, they always dribble. Of course, these are the cheap ones, but who knows? I haven't tried these in a while, so who knows? There's probably a lot out there that don't trip out like that when they're done cooking. But that's a good way to tell they're done cooking too, I guess. So now, when our SpongeBob ravioli meatballs are done, spaghetti meatballs are done, we're gonna put one of those in the bowl, or maybe we'll cut it. No, we'll put it in the bowl first, because I forgot it'll trip out if we cut it out. So we'll put it in the bowl first, and then we'll cut it out. Maybe put it on the plate first and put it to the side, because our bowl's not big enough. Do some of the spaghetti first, so there's enough room. Well, I don't know, we'll see. Good thing with this napkin thing is when the plate's hot, you'll be ready to pick it up real easy. Not have to worry about burning yourself too. So here's how it looks when it's fresh out the microwave. It probably would look more boiling when you get it out the microwave, but that's pretty good right there. I think that's good enough. I didn't really do it for 30 seconds additional. Probably should have, but I think that's okay. Since we learned that with the ramen noodles that, you know, it's better to add the chicken cordon bleus with it than to add it on top or whatever. I mean, it's still just as good, but this should be better, a lot better, because we're gonna get every bit of the chicken cordon bleu now, not have to lose the crust we're trying to put together. Also, yeah, I ate some of the spaghetti and meatballs, so and that's just a plate that the chicken cordon bleu was on, resting on. Yeah, the chicken cordon bleu, this time it should be cooled off, but that's why I thought last time we got burnt, so we're probably gonna get burnt this time with the first bite of this. Okay. I can't really taste the sauce that good on. I need to add some of these spaghetti, SpongeBob SpaghettiOs. This mixture works real well. Like what's inside the chicken cordon bleu plus this sauce and the spaghettios works real good. So right now I'm putting some meatballs. That's what's cool about these things. Like when you cut them in pieces like that, you can kind of stuff them and just have to use your fork to do so. So we got some meatballs in there. Oh man, as soon as I went to go okay, that's not gonna work. Another cool thing is you can cut them from the sides here and get little chicken tenders, kinda. So now we can get some of this meatball, hopefully. So hard to get spaghetti and meatball fork. Well, I mean that's the easiest way. Yeah, we're gonna try some of this meatball with it. So yeah, this is a must try. I recommend this highly. um, and before we end off this video, stay awesome everyone. And also below comment your favorite movie to watch or your favorite movie genre to watch while you eat. And stay safe later. I'm gonna finish this real quick, probably like real quick. That's how good it is. It's really like you don't want to stop eating it. Mm. Hey everyone, thanks for watching more content on the Nuclear's channel.